Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel English Literature with Shikha Gaur, and for today's topic it is stream of consciousness, and it is very important for us to understand what it is stream of consciousness. So I would like to introduce this topic to you. So the first thing is it is a narrative technique in literature. That means the author uses this technique in literature to tell the story and the thing what the characters are thinking about, his or her feelings, thoughts, memories and perceptions. Okay, जब भी कोई author कोई भी नॉवल में या किसी वर्क में कैरेक्टर्स के थॉट्स, फीलिंग्स, मेमोरीज, परसेप्शंस को डायरेक्टली एज इट इज़ ही इज़ टेलिंग द रीडर्स, सो दैट इज़ स्ट्रीम ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस. तो जब भी कोई कैरेक्टर कुछ भी सोच रहा है तो उसके रैंडम थॉट्स आ रहे हैं एंड दे आर like there is a sudden shift in thoughts. Okay, that is stream of consciousness. It can be about his or her feelings, memories or the perceptions. So स्ट्रीम ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस में कोई भी लॉजिकल स्ट्रक्चर नहीं होता है और जो कैरेक्टर है वो रैंडमली जंप कर रहा है एक थॉट से दूसरे थॉट पर, और इट इज़ you can just remember this stream of consciousness as just jumping from one thought to another randomly. Okay, so this is stream of consciousness. So next is the writers. Some of the writers and the most famous writers, these are James Joyce, Virginia Woolf and William Faulkner. So these are the writers associated with stream of consciousness, though there are many others, but these are the basics or very important writers for stream of consciousness. And there is one more thing in stream of consciousness concept, that is when the character is thinking about anything, or his feelings, memories or perceptions or thoughts to say, so his thoughts, these are thoughts or memories, these are the mixture, or you can say the blend of the past memories, present situations. Okay, and this is being taken up, or this is being expressed in one of the novel by Anita Desai. So it's a very important concept. So I hope now that this concept of stream of consciousness has been helpful to you, and so for today that's it for the video, and stay tuned for more concepts, more videos on my channel. So that's it. Thank you so much.